I finally found an outdoor daybed cover that actually fits over the mattress and looks great. This one is just the covers. No inserts or mattress comes with it, but the fabric feels super nice and it's got a bold, rich color that really stands out on our back deck. It's definitely made for outdoor use, but I wouldn't leave it out in all winter long with the snow and everything. They kept it soft and comfy instead of plasticky feeling. I really love the long zipper design, way easier to get the mattress and pillows in and out, and the double stitching helps everything feel solid and not like it's going to bust open after a few uses. I've actually fallen asleep on this thing a couple of times. It washes up really well because the dog jumps up on it, so I have to wash it quite frequently. But I just tossed it in the machine with the dirt and stuff all over it, and it washed up quickly. It's really held up after so many washes. If you've got a twin daybed you want to refresh or give a more put together vibe outside, this cover set definitely does the job. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.